Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Omaha, Georgia, southern Georgia. We're at Florence Marina State Park. The two biggest attractions we have found here at Florence Marina are the marina, a lot of boat slips here, and the campground. The campground is gorgeous.
Now this big body of water behind us looks like a lake, but it's actually a river. It's the Chattahoochee River, and it starts in the Blue Ridge Mountains, which is the southern part of the Appalachian Mountains. It starts just south of the Tennessee-Georgia border, and the river actually flows south, where it makes up about 50% of the Alabama-Georgia border, state line,
Yep.
the southern part of it. As it flows south, it ends up in Lake Seminole. From there, it turns into Apalachicola River, and eventually makes its way to Apalachicola, Florida, where it empties into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, this is one reason this marina is so important, is because you can actually do the Great Loop from here. There's a lot of big boats in this marina, so you can end up in the Gulf of Mexico, make your way around the southern tip of Florida, make your way back up the East Coast, down through the Hudson Bay, through the Great Lakes, and in Lake Michigan, you can enter the Mississippi River, and from there make your way back down to the Gulf of Mexico, which is what they call the Great Loop.
Yep. Can you tell he's been doing his research on the Great Loop? Yeah.
I watched somebody on YouTube that's doing the Great Loop right now.
The only reason I chose Florence Marina State Park was because we wanted to see Providence Canyon State Park, which is about 10 miles down the road here. They do not have camping at the state park, so I was looking for something close, and this was a body of water, campground right on the body of water, and we were pleasantly surprised when we got here. It was way more than I was expecting.
As soon as you pull into the campground, you know you're going to enjoy your stay here at this state park. It's a beautiful campground with a lot of pine trees, and it is very quiet.
Very quiet. The camp hosts are wonderful.
Yes, they are. There's some maintenance going on throughout the day, but that's just because they got some improvements to do.
They have a couple of short walking trails here. This is out on a peninsula, and over here is the basin. It's where all the boat slips are. The gas dock is here, but you cannot fish inside the basin. We are at the end of the peninsula, and the only place you can throw a line in is on the outside of the peninsula here, and they will tell you that specifically as you're checking into camp.
I have a fellow YouTuber that notices that every time I'm around a body of water, I like to jump into it and swim. Scott from Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs always notices that I like to swim. And so if you enjoy motorcycles, boating, and camping, definitely go check out his channel. We'll put a link below. But I just want to let Scott know I'm not going to be swimming here at Florence Marina State Park. It just doesn't look very inviting.
That is one downside to this state park, because you're surrounded by all of this beautiful water all around you, but you cannot swim in this water because they do. The guy who we checked in on Monday evening, and he said they have a 13-foot alligator that they will see around here sometimes, and then there's an 8-foot alligator that hangs around the boat slips over here pretty regular. So no swimming. Okay, another little trail here in the park takes you out to the camper courtesy dock. We walked out here a little earlier. It is marked on the map. We didn't know until like our third day here. So let's go check out this courtesy dock.
So this is the courtesy dock for the campers. If you're camping here and you have a boat, you can tie your boat off here and leave it as long as there's a spot for you to park. And this right here, if I'm not mistaken, is a kayak launch. So you can safely launch your kayak without risking falling into the water, because there are alligators here. So you place your kayak in there, and you sit down in there, and you can use your body weight to push this down, and it'll give you a little bit of depth to push your kayak out into the water.
Here at Florence Marina State Park, they have plenty of dock space to store your boat for easy access to the Chattahoochee River. Here right inside of the basin, the Marina Basin, is the gas docks.
So as you enter Florence Marina State Park, the first thing you'll see on your left is the boat ramp to the Chattahoochee River, and on your right will be the interpretive center.
The good thing about staying at Florence Marina State Park is once we bought our Georgia Park Pass here at this park, it also worked at Providence Canyon State Park.
Just a little down from the boat ramp and interpretive center, you'll have the marina on the left and the visitor center on the right, and you'll stop at the visitor center to check in if you're camping. On past the visitor center on the right, you'll find some cabins, and then straight ahead, you'll go straight into the campground.
You do check in here at the visitor center unless they're closed, and then our camp hosts have a little booth right outside of the campground. We'll show you where you can check in. After you pass the visitor center, you'll make your way through the park. You'll come to the three-way stop, which is just right behind us. Then you'll enter the campground, and this is your little camp host booth, I guess you call it. But here at the booth, if the visitor center was closed, then you will check in with your camp host right here at this booth.
Here at the visitor center, you can get you a little map of the campground if nobody is here. Here's the entrance, and to keep things simple, we're just gonna walk you down through here to the back, up through the middle, and then down through here to the back again to show you what the campground looks like. So to the right, you will have back-end sites, and to the left, you will have pull-through sites. The pull-through sites here on the left are blacktop.
Back side of the bathhouse. fish cleaning station. Okay, here is laundry and the bathhouse. We'll go inside and show you how clean it is. This whole park is so clean.
And no matter where you're at in the campground, it's a short walk to the bathroom.
Yes. It smells good in here. Okay, it looks like $1. November 2023, it looks like $1 to wash, $1 to dry. It is heated in here. Drink machine. Yeah, after the drink machine, the men's restroom, women's restroom, and the showers. But nice and roomy. They have handicap accessible shower. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stalls. This is our camp host, and here is campsite number 32. This is us. We're in a nice pull-through site. We have full hookup on this campsite, fire ring, and a picnic table. Some of the tent campsites. Florence Marina does have a little miniature golf course. You pick up your equipment at the visitor center, and it is located right here at the clubhouse. Here is the clubhouse. We were told by the second camp host that we met today that lots of events go on At this Clubhouse, family reunions, weddings, all kinds of events. It is a beautiful venue. Right here on the water. I was hoping there would be a porch to climb up on, but there isn't. There's a fire pit out here by the river though.
We have absolutely enjoyed our stay here at
Florence Marina.
Florence Marina. It's a beautiful campground.
It's a quiet campground.
Very quiet.
Or at least it has been for us in November.
Right. And it's very simply laid out. Not like some campgrounds, but it's like a puzzle to find your way to your campsite.
Yeah, yeah.
There is a lot to do in the area. We suggest doing Providence Canyon.
Yes, yes.
There are boat rentals here for $35 for 4 hours.
Yeah.
Which is a really good deal. We wanted to do that, but the
today was
weather,
so cold.
The weather just wouldn't cooperate with us. But if you're interested in exploring the Chattahoochee, definitely spend some time here at this state park.
Yep.
We appreciate you watching our video to the very end. It helps our little channel a lot, and we encourage you to make comments or ask questions in the comment section.
Yeah, if you found a little value in the video, we sure would appreciate a like. And to follow us along on the next adventure, hit that subscribe button.